Welcome to our comparison video of fixed blades versus folding blade for camping. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a beginner planning your next adventure, the type of knife you carry can greatly impact your camping experience. In this video, we compared their durability, versatility, portability, and more to determine which blade style reigns supreme. So let's get started. The basics of fixed blade knives. Let's start with the characteristics of fixed blade knives. As the name suggests, these knives have a solid, non-folding blade that extends from the handle. They are renowned for their robustness and durability, making them a reliable companion for outdoor activities like camping, survival, and bushcraft. The basics of folding blade knives. On the other hand, folding blade knives are equipped with a hinged blade that folds into the handle. These knives are more compact and can easily fit into your pocket or backpack. They are widely popular among everyday carry enthusiasts due to their convenience and accessibility, durability, and strength. When it comes to sheer durability and strength, fixed blade knives take the lead. Their one-piece construction eliminates any potential weak points, making them less prone to breakage or failure during heavy-duty tasks. These knives are perfect for demanding camping chores like batoning wood, cutting rope, and preparing food. Folding blade knives, while sturdy in their own right, may not be as strong as their fixed counterparts due to the pivot mechanism. They are better suited for lighter tasks and may not handle heavy chopping or prying as well as fixed blades. Versatility and functionality. Versatility is a key consideration for camping gear, and both types of knives offer unique advantages. Fixed blade knives excel in rugged, demanding situations where reliability is paramount. Their full tang design and solid blade allow for a wide range of tasks, from field dressing game to constructing shelter. On the other hand, folding blade knives shine in everyday convenience. Their compact size makes them easy to carry and perfect for more delicate tasks like cutting cordage, opening packages, or preparing small meals. They are ideal for situations where space and weight are at a premium. Maintenance and cleaning. Both types of knives have distinct maintenance needs. Fixed blade knives are generally easier to clean since there are no moving parts to worry about. They can be quickly wiped down after use and are less susceptible to debris getting trapped in hinges. Folding blade knives may require more attention when cleaning, as dirt and grime can accumulate around the pivot area. Lubricating the pivot regularly is essential to ensure smooth operation. Safety considerations. Safety is paramount in any camping environment, and both knife styles have their safety considerations. Fixed blade knives, when not in use, are usually carried in a sheath, which covers the blade and prevents accidental cuts. However, they may be more challenging to handle and store safely without a sheath. Folding blade knives by design can be closed when not in use, minimizing the risk of accidents. Their folding mechanism locks the blade in place when opened, providing added security during use. As we wrap up our exploration of fixed blade versus folding blade for camping, it's evident that each type of knife offers unique advantages suited to different camping scenarios. If you prioritize strength, durability, and reliability for heavy-duty tasks, fixed blade knives are your ideal companion. They excel in demanding outdoor situations and are perfect for the wilderness enthusiasts. On the other hand, if portability, convenience, and everyday functionality are what you seek, folding blade knives are the way to go. They are perfect for light to medium tasks and made for excellent everyday carry tools. Whichever blade style you choose, always prioritize safety and proper usage during your camping adventures. Remember, the right knife can be a trusted companion in the great outdoors. Happy camping, and until next time, stay safe and enjoy nature's wonders.